Alright students, so in this video we are going to see how to view the paper. So all of you know now how to give the exam. Okay, so you have given maths paper and I have also corrected the maths paper. Now we are going to see how to see the corrected paper. Okay, so we are going to see for both mobile and for laptop. So first I'm going to start with laptop because I'm using a laptop right now. So we go to Teams here. You can see this is the Teams option. Okay, then you go to grade 3. Okay, you'll click here, then you'll go to general. Okay, you'll be in the general and you can clearly see here that there's a grades tab. Okay, here this is the grades tab, you can see. So in laptop it is pretty much simple. You will just click on the grades tab. Okay, and then you can see all the assignments that you have submitted. So this is a dummy account, this is not a real student account, but it is a dummy student account that I'm showing you. Okay, in the previous video I could not show all the details, so here I'm showing the video again. All right, so now see here you have you can see the marks here. Now some parents might say that okay, I can see the marks, but you also now need to see the paper that he did. So what you can do is to see the paper that he did and where the student has got actually, let's say for example 4 out of 5. Okay, let's see here now. Go to assignments. Okay, and go to the completed section. All right, and yes, which paper are we looking for? Again we are looking for let's work out our brain. Okay, so this is a test paper that we are looking for. Let's work out our brain. Okay, let's work out our brain here. So you can see the paper, you'll go to that particular paper, then you'll click here on the paper itself, and you can see your child has got 4 out of 5. Okay, so here is where you will see the paper. Okay, so in the assignments you can see the paper and the marks. In the grades you can see a history of all the papers that your child has done and whether he has returned it or sometimes he has not returned it. So all those things you can clearly see here. Okay, so this is actually a history of your child's paper. But having said that, both the tabs are important, assignment and grade. Okay, an assignment, you can see the assignment in the completed section. Okay, here you can see the assignment in the completed section. Sorry. Okay, in the completed section you can see the assignment, and then you can go to the particular assignment and see how much mark the child has scored. Okay, and in the grades it's just a full summary. Okay, so both these options are available. Now what about for the mobile users? For the mobile users you have to use the same path. You have to go to Teams, you have to go to class 3, go to general, and you can also go, you have to go to the more tab. Okay, so let me just write for you. You will have only post files and you will have a more tab there. Okay, let me just write it here. Okay, in the more tab you can view. Okay, now you can click here. Then you click here, there will be a drop down here. Okay, so you will be able to see what do you say, you will be able to see assignments, and you will be able to see here in the drop down list, it will be visible to you grades. Okay, so these two things will be visible to you. Furthermore, I think for grade 3 we have also put the homework schedule here, so your homework schedule is also visible. SCPS homework schedule is also visible here. Okay, so these are few things that will be visible here, and I don't think it should be any issue either for the mobile users or for the laptop users. So the bottom line here is that in the assignment column also you can clearly view the assignments. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Let's say if your grade tab for some reason is not visible, you can see the assignments in the assignment tab. Okay, and remember, if you want to see the paper, you want to see the marks, use the assignment tab. If you only want to see a summary of all the papers that your child has done, you can go to grades. It is your choice. Thank you students.